Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you some really inexpensive but beautiful handmade Christmas gifts that I made using items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For my Tealight candle holders, I used two of these small bowls from the Dollar Tree, as well as their small Tealight candle holders, some marbles, some clear gemstone stickers, these 3-inch mirrors that I purchased from Michael's for $1 with my 50% off coupon, and some strong adhesive. So the first thing I did was clean my glass, and then I simply added 2 bags of the clear marbles to my bowl. Next, I used my strong adhesive to attach one of the 3-inch mirrors to the top of my bowl face down, and I allowed this to dry for about 2 hours. Next, I turned my bowl over, and then I used that same adhesive to attach one of the Tealight candle holders on top. I allowed my design to dry overnight, and then the following day I used my hot glue gun to attach a row of the clear gemstone stickers around the top of my Tealight candle holder, as well as this small pink flower that I took from a floral arrangement that I already had. To complete the project, I cleaned the outside of my Tealight candle holder, added a small Tealight candle, and here was my finished look. I think that these Tealight candle holders turned out super cute. They kind of remind me of small perfume bottles, and I think that they would be beautiful in any bathroom. For my jewelry organizer, I used 4 of the square mirrors from the Dollar Tree, as well as 3 of their stackable organizing drawers. I used some silver glitter that I already had, as well as some Mod Podge, a sponge brush, some of these clear gemstone stickers, some strong adhesive, glue gun, and glue sticks. So the first thing I did was remove the drawers from my organizers, and then I used my strong adhesive to attach and stack all 3 of the organizers together. I then flipped my organizers over. I did this because I wanted my mirrors to lie as evenly and flat at the top as possible. I used my strong adhesive and my hot glue to attach all 4 mirrors to my organizers. Once my mirrors were attached, I pushed my organizer to the side and began working on my drawers. I used my Mod Podge and sponge brush to cover each of the drawers on the outside with my fine silver glitter. I did not add the glitter to the slides on each side of my drawers. This would have prevented me from being able to easily slide my drawers in and out of my organizer. Instead of adding glitter to the front of each drawer, I decided to add the glitter to the inside of the drawer instead. I wanted to add as little glitter to the inside as possible so that it could be easily cleaned. So this is the only part of the inside of the drawer that has glitter actually added to it. Once I was satisfied with my glitter coverage, I allowed my drawers to dry for about 30 minutes. I then added a second layer of the Mod Podge to seal in my glitter, and I allowed this to dry overnight. The following day, I added this D that I purchased from Michael's for about $1 with my coupon. I also added the Gemstone Stickers along the sides of each drawer. I also covered the knobs of the drawers as well. To finish the project, I returned the drawers to my organizer, I cleaned my mirrors, and here was my finished look. And finally, for my mirrored pillar candle holders, I used 6 packages of these glass Tealight candle holders, another package of these 3-inch mirrors, as well as the remaining mirrors from my first project. I used 2 packages of these Mirror Mosiac stickers from the Dollar Tree, as well as my strong adhesive. So the first thing I did was place one of the Tealight candle holders upside down, and then I used my strong adhesive to attach a second candle holder right on top. I did this for all 6 packages. Next, I removed the black tabs from my small mirrors, and then I used my strong adhesive to attach 6 of those mirrors on top of my candle holders. For the remaining 2 mirrors, I flipped 2 of my candle holders over, and I attached those 2 mirrors to each of those candle holders face down. These will serve as the base for both of my candle holders. Next, I used my strong adhesive to attach 2 additional candle holders on top of each base. I also added just a dab of hot glue to ensure that the candle holders stayed in place until they permanently dried. I did the same to make my second candle holder, and I let both candle holders dry for 2 hours before moving to the next step. I then began adding my mirrors. As you can see, I'm adding the strong adhesive along the top of the 3-inch mirror and along the sides of the bottom of the Tealight candle holder. I added a row to the top and bottom of the 2 center 3-inch mirrors, and then again a single row of the mirrors at the very top of each of the candle holders. I used a level to make sure that my candle holders were balanced before allowing them to dry overnight. While I waited on those to dry, I added 3 rows of the Gemstone Stickers to 2 of these really pretty Dollar Tree pillar candles. Once my candle holders were dry, I cleaned my mirrors and glass, and here was my finished look. These by far were my favorite. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.